Who doesn't love the behemoth Ford Excursion? We're gonna show you what we did to this truck and why. Hi, I'm Mike with Mount Zion Off-Road. This is a project wrap-up video for this 2000 Ford Excursion. A client came to us with this Excursion that he bought nearly 20 years ago and wanted to bring some life back into his truck. We sat down and came up with a game plan to fix some problems that were nagging him and also to change up the look and performance of how this vehicle handles both on-road and off. The first thing I wanted to talk about is the suspension. This thing got 4 new leaf springs from BDS in their 4-inch kit. We also upgraded to the FOX shocks with it. We also added a matching FOX Steering Stabilizer. Now, because this truck's got so much weight up high, we thought it was important to add a Hellwig rear sway bar. That really helped to alleviate that body roll as you're cornering, because you don't want this thing to get out of control driving this down the highway. We had a few things that we also had to do to get rid of some nagging problems that we had. These things were common to have the door lock actuators fail, so we replaced all the door lock actuators and also replaced the exhaust manifolds. Now, this thing's a V10 and it had a whole bunch of broken studs. It was a total pain, but we got it done. For wheels and tires, we decided to go with the 35-inch BFGoodrich all-terrain. To those, we mounted this Mayhem Scout. The gold color matches pretty good to this two-tone, and I really like how it turned out. One thing that we had to do and get a little creative was customize these center caps. We actually had to cut the hole out for the lockout so it would work, and it still does. So we think this truck turned out great. What is your favorite full size? Post it in the comment section below. Let us know what you think of this truck. Remember to like, follow, and subscribe on YouTube. See you next time.